Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 6. We will present our topic today with the material writing letter of greeting, refusing, and apologizing. Before we start, I would like to say to Miss Neni, who has given us the opportunity. And let me introduce ourselves. I am Fitria Aryani as moderator, and my partner Sofia Wildani and Dewi Van Henry as speaker. Okay, I will explain the first material about definition, written letter of greeting, refusing, and apologizing. Okay, the first material is definition of greeting, refusing, and apologizing letter. A refusing letter is written response to a job offer that a person chose the decline. It can be written for a number of reasons, such as accepting another position or lack of interest. And the next, a greeting letter is a formal document issued to provide approval or permission for a specific request, action, or funding. It outlines the terms and conditions under which a grant is given or request is authorized. And the last definition of apology letter. An apology letter is a written communication that expresses remorse, regret, and a sincere desire to make amends for a mistake, offense, or wrongdoing. It is a formal way of acknowledging and accepting responsibility for one action and the impact they have had on others. Okay, the next material is about structure and purpose of creating, refusing, and apologizing letter. The first is structure and the purpose refusing letter. The purpose of refusing letter is to reject a job offer presented to you by a company. It is important to be polite while at the same time firmly rejecting the offer. The structure of refusing letter is: the first is that of the lecturer, then the next receiver name and address, the next is subject, the next is body, the next is conclusion, and the last full name and signature. Okay, the next is the structure of greeting letter. The structure of greeting letter can vary depending on this specific purpose, but generally follow a consistent format. Here a breakdown structure of greeting letter. The first is header. In header, have sender information, that reception information, and the next subject line. The next salutation. In salutation, a formal greeting as dear. For example, dear Miss Neni. And the next material, the next opening paragraph. Introduction, the reason for the letter and identifies the request or proposal being provided or granted. And the next, detail of the grant or permission. Clear explanation of what is being granted, whether is funding, permission, or approval. Specific term, condition, or requirement related to drug or approval. Amount of money or resource allocated, if applicable. Deadlines, reporting, requirement, or meal list needs, if relevant. And the next closing paragraph. Retirement of support and the next step. Any further instruction or reminder for the reception, expression of good wishes, or support for the reception project. The next closing statement. Formal closing, such as sensory or base record, and the last signature. Okay, the next will explain by Sofia Wildani.
Okay, my name is Sofia Wildani. C. Apology letter. A. That the letter was written usually placed at the top of the left hand side. B. Sender's address. The sender's address is written at the top right below the date. C. Solution. Use an appropriate greeting such as to respond name. D. Introduction. Clearly states the purpose of the letter such as I am writing this letter to apologize for. E. Body of the letter. Absence of responsibility. Take full responsibility for the mistake committed. Next, expression. Explain the situation without shifting the blame to someone else. Next, language used for granting, refusing, and apologizing. A. Refusing letter. Yang pertama yaitu be professional, use natural language to avoid misunderstanding, avoid scraps and jokes. Yang kedua yaitu be polite, thanks the recipient for their time and interest. Next, be clear, explain why you are declining the offer or invention. Next, be constructive if appropriate of constructive feedback. Next, be accurate if you think the respondent could be a good fit and to apply for future opportunities. Next, be timely. Send the rejection letter as soon as you've made the discussion. Next, be verified. Ensure the rejection is communicated reliably. Yang selanjutnya yaitu granting letter. Granting letter itu terbagi atas 3. Yang pertama, clarity. Use straightforward language that avoids jargon unless redundancy. B. Formality. Maintain professional tone talk as this is a formal communication. And the last one, specificity. Be specific about terms related to grant funding to avoid misunderstanding.
Okay, I'm Dewi Vanendri, NPM 2104043, and thank you moderators. I will explain the next part, that is apology letters. The first one is start with a clear apology. Use straightforward phrases such as I'm sorry for blah 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 or I apologize for blah blah blah, and this establishes the purpose of the letter immediately and show humility. The second one is acknowledge the mistake. Be specific about what you did wrong. For example, you can say I acknowledge that I blah blah blah, or I understand that my action caused blah blah blah. And this demonstrates that you recognize the consequence of your action without making excuse. And the third is take responsibility. Clearly accept responsibility for your action. You can say, I take full responsibility for my action, blah blah blah, and avoid phrases that shift blame, such as, if you had not or if you hadn't, blah blah blah. And the fourth is express understanding of the impact. Show empathy by recognize how your action affected to other persons. you can say, I realize that my behavior can hurt you and disrupt our relationship. Or, I understand why this was upsetting for you. Number 5 is our solutions or steps for improvement. Mention what you will do for rectify the situation or prevent it from happening. You can say, to make amends, I will blah blah blah, or I'm taking steps to ensure this does not happen again by blah blah blah. The sixth is conclude with a hope for forgiveness, and on a positive, not expressing hope for reconciliation. You can say, I hope you can forgive me, or I value our relationship and hope we can move past this. And the last is use appropriate tone. Adjust your tone based on the relationship with the recipient. For formal situation, maintain a respectful tone for personal apologies. You can more casual tone and may be appropriate. And avoid constructions in formal letter in the maintain professionalism. So, this is the example of the refusing letter, granting letter, and the apology letter. Okay, that's the presentation from our group 6. I would say apology if there are any mistakes. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.